Now we discuss the fifth MCQ, that is the at terminal velocity the acceleration of a falling object is 0, 1, minus 9.8 or plus 9.8. So here we first discuss the at terminal velocity the acceleration of the falling object is 0 because the air resistance, that is also called drag force, equal to the force of gravity. So net force acting on the object is 0 according to Newton law, that is F is equal to ma, where F is equal to 0. If F is 0, no net force. No net force means no acceleration. So here is the right answer is A is equal to 0. Now discuss the Swiss numerical Swiss MCQ, that is according to equation of continuity. A is equal to constant, is constant is equal to the volume of the fluid, mass of the fluid, density of the fluid, or volume flow rate. We know that the volume flow rate depends upon the velocity of the medium and cross sectional area of the flow. So volume flow rate is equal to V by T Z is equal to the AV. Here is the AV, that is the constant, that is also known as the equation of continuity, that is also called the volume flow rate. In this physics MCQs, at the construction the cross section for the ideal flow from equation of continuity, it follows that the speed of the fluid is greater, less, same, and 0. As we know that the from equation of continuity of continuity, AV is equal to constant. So we can write that velocity is inversely proportional to the area. Since area is inversely proportional to speed, when area is constricted, that means narrow at the constriction in the area, then the speed is greater. So right option is greater. Now we discuss the other physics MCQs, that is the as water in a level pipe passes from a narrow cross section of pipe to a wider cross section, the pressure against the wall increase, decrease, remain the same in 0. We know that in a narrow section, water flow or velocity faster means it low pressure. When water enter the wider section, the velocity decrease due to increase in area. According to Bernoulli, that is pressure is inversely proportional to velocity. When velocity decrease, then pressure increase. So here the right option is increase.